Dear students, welcome to Social Science YouTube channel. Today, I'm uploading video number 15. In video number 15, we discuss about Indian forest resources. This is the fifth chapter of geography. Question number 1. The forest that found in areas of heavy rainfall region is A. The tropical evergreen forest. B. The tropical deciduous forest. C. Scrub forest and grassland. D. Tropical monsoon forest. Answer is A. Tropical evergreen forest. Yeah, the places which receives heavy rainfall and even high temperature, such places you can see that tropical evergreen forest. The trees which do not shed their leaves during the year at the same time are found in A. The tropical deciduous forest. B. The tropical evergreen forest. C. Scrub forest and grassland. D. The tropical monsoon forest. Yes, children, you're correct. The correct answer is the tropical evergreen forest. So the trees found in this forest do not shed their leaves in particular period, okay, or particular time. So therefore only this forest always look green. So that's why they're called as a tropical evergreen forest. The forests which are found in the areas with an annual rainfall of 100 to 200 centimeter, A. Tropical evergreen forest, B. Mangrove forest, C. Scrub forest and grasslands, D. Tropical monsoon forest. Yes, children, you are correct. The correct answer is tropical monsoon forest. These forests are found where the rainfall is 100 to 200 centimeters, annual rainfall. The trees and the plants which shed their leaves during the spring and early summer are found in the A. Tropical deciduous forest, tropical evergreen forest, scrub forest and grassland, D. Mangrove forest. Yes, children, you are correct. The correct answer is tropical deciduous forest. So in this forest, the trees shed their leaves during the spring and even early summer. So you may be observed nearby your houses, the trees are there, they shed their leaves in the month of January, February. Okay, so they are the best example for this deciduous forest. Trees grown there. The tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest because A, the trees are always green. B, the trees shed their leaves. C, they are found in very heavy rainfall regions. D, the trees grown only in monsoon season. Yes, children, you are correct. B, the trees shed their leaves. Yeah. So in the previous slide, I told you that the trees shed their leaves in the summer and in the summer and spring season. So therefore, this tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest. Actually, it should be ulta. The monsoon forests are also known as tropical deciduous forest. But in your textbook, they are given like this. Follow it. Deciduous means shading. Scrub forests and grasslands are found in the area having A. 10 to 50 centimeter of rainfall. B. 100 to 200 centimeter of rainfall. C. 60 to 100 centimeter of rainfall. D. So 250 centimeter to centimeter of rainfall. Yeah, answer it should be C. That is B. Two options are there. The B 60 to 100 centimeter rainfall. Yeah, it make it C, option C. The tropical deciduous forests are also known as monsoon forest because A. Trees are always green. Trees shed their leaves. They are found in the very heavy rainfall regions. The trees are grown only in the monsoon seasons. Yeah, the trees shed their leaves. Oak, chestnut, Ash, beech, pine, cedar, spruce, fir, deodar, walnut are found in A. Mountain forest, B. Mangrove forest, C. Scrub forest and grasslands, D. Tropical monsoon forest. Yes, children, the correct answer is A. Mountain forest. All these trees you can find in the mountain forest. The forest which found in wet marshy areas and along the sea coast are A. Mountain forest, B. Mangrove forest, C. Scrub forest and grassland, D. Tropical monsoon forest. Yes, children, the correct answer is mangrove forest. So mangrove forest you can find in the marshy areas and especially in coastal areas. To control coastal erosion, these mangrove forests are developed. The plant and the trees are vary with increasing altitude in A. Mountain forest, B. Mangrove forest, C. Scrub forest and grassland, D. Tropical monsoon forest. Yes, children, you are correct. The answer is B. Mountain forest. In mountain forest, plants and trees varies with the increasing altitude because of changes in rainfall and temperature. When you go higher altitude, temperature and rainfall both will decrease. So therefore, there will be vary in plant and trees. The tree trunks are supported by a number of stilt-like roots are found in A. Mountain forest, B. Mangrove forest, C. Scrub and grasslands, D. Tropical monsoon forest. Yes, children, the answer is mangrove forest. In mangrove forest, you can find the trees like banyan tree having aerial root or stilt-like roots. A. Karnataka, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Madhya Pradesh. Yes, children, you are correct. Answer is D. Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh has the largest area under forest in India. The state which has least area under the forest, A. Sikkim, B. Goa, C. Telangana, D. Kerala. Yes, children, you are correct. B. Goa. Goa has the least area under forest. A reason for deforestation is A. Restrictions on grazing, B. Control of forest insects, C. Expansion of agricultural land, D. Scientific cutting of trees. Yes, children, expansion of agricultural land, C is the answer. So when population increases, we have to meet the requirements. To meet the requirements of overpopulation, we have to clear the forest and use that land for agricultural purpose. A measure for conservation of forest is industrialization, B. Urbanization, C. Expansion of agricultural land, D. Scientific cutting of trees. Yes, children, the answer is D. Scientific cutting of trees. A place meant for providing protection to wildlife is a wildlife sanctuary, zoos, biosphere reserve, amusement park. Yes, children, the answer is wildlife sanctuaries. So wildlife sanctuaries are the places where animals, all animals protected in their own natural habitat. A special category of protected areas of land or coastal environment is wildlife sanctuary, B. National park, C. Biosphere reserve, D. Amusement parks. Yes, children, this answer is C. Biosphere reserve. In biosphere reserve, all kind of animals, creatures, plant. So around 80,000 species are found in India. All are protected in biosphere reserve. The Nagarjuna Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary is in A. Telangana, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Rajasthan. Yes, children. Answer is A, Telangana. It is located in A, Telangana. Bannerghatta National Park is in A, Telangana, B, Tamil Nadu, C, Kerala, D, Karnataka. Yes, children, the correct answer is D, Karnataka. So Bannerghatta National Park is located near Bangalore in Karnataka. Thank you, children. For more videos, subscribe to this channel. If you have missed the previous videos, so there are the links in description box. You can watch them again. Thank you.